Good morning, students. Today I have explained Standard 12th subject Computer Studies, lesson number 4, Introduction to E-commerce, part 1. First, e-commerce. E-commerce, that means electronic commerce. During last few decades, due to remarkable development in telecommunications, infrastructure, and software technologies, Internet has become a popular among the individual and business organizations as well. Internet has revolutions the way business is conducted nowadays. Today, internet is being used by people for various purposes like paying bills, banking, and even shopping. Business organizations conduct activities like marketing of the product, selling of product, providing catalog, trading the stocks, and customer service. The use of internet for conducting such business activities is known as a e-commerce. That is a e-commerce. That means electronic commerce. E-commerce is modern business methodology that address to the need of organizations, merchants, and consumers in cutting cost while improving the quality of goods and services. It allows people to rise above the barriers of time and distance and take the benefit of global market and business opportunities. Many different type of products and services such as books, electronic gadgets, cars, holiday packages, and many more are traded online. E-commerce creates a complete world of global village from where anyone can buy anything at any time and from anywhere. That is a e-commerce. Next topic is applications of e-commerce. Internet bookshops, electronic newspaper, online auctions, marketing and selling, online billing, information services, support services, net banking, and e-commerce is not a limit to the areas discussed here but spread across many other activities. So I have explained one by one applications of e-commerce. First is a internet bookshops. This was one of the first application of e-commerce on the internet. Customers prefer purchasing a books on internet as they do not require to be physically checked and can be easily described. The search of a book can be made by title of the book, authors, interest, and inform them about new arrival to attract and retain their interest. Example, www.amazon.com is one of the first online bookstores. Some of large online bookstores are available. This website is amazon.com, buybooks.india.com, booksofindia.com, and etc. And that is a first website of a online bookstores, that is Amazon, www.amazon.in. Next is a electronics newspaper. An electronics newspaper, also known as e-paper, e that means electronic newspaper, is a newspaper that exists on the internet in digital form. It can give up-to-date news on the issue that are happening worldwide. It also removes that hassles of printing process and future help in reducing the cost. Majority of the leading newspaper now provides e-newspaper to the readers. An example of www.timesofIndia.com, www.sandesh.com, www.gujaratmitra.com, www.gujaratsamachar.com. That is an example of electronic newspaper. That means e-paper. And the first e-paper is the Washington Post. That is a e-newspaper of the website. Next is a online auctions. There are many websites providing live auctions of goods. This website provides the platform for both sellers and bidders. And auctions is the process of buying and selling products or services by offering the customers to bid the price and selling the product to the highest bidder. By placing goods for auction, a person can get a good price through bidding. Once the target price is reached or the time limit is over, the item is transferred to the bidder. The sellers can get the advantage of getting best price for their products, and the bidders save the time to get the product of their choice. And some popular websites for online auctions are www.ebay.com, www.onlineeducation.com, www.mybits.in, www.ubid.com. That is a online auctions website. And the first online auctions site is a ebay.in. That is a online auctions website. Next is a marketing and selling. Many companies nowadays conduct their business of marketing and selling of goods and service by their websites. They provide their product catalog online over internet for better marketing. The catalog display different categories of product with images, videos, in some cases, brief description and features of the product. The consumers can view the catalog and select the products of their choice by adding them to the shopping cart. An online shopping cart is similar to the original store shopping cart. This website is www.homeshop18.com, www.flipkart.com, www.myntra.com, www.makemytrip.com, www.amazon.com, and etc. That is a marketing and selling. And the first website of the marketing and selling in the online railway ticket booking facilities, Indian Railways and Catering Service, irctc.co.in. That is a website of a online railway ticket booking facilities. Next is a online billing. In online billing, companies send their bills to customers through the email. The customers receive the bills. He or she can pay online on the company's website using credit card or net banking facilities. Companies who need to send the bills to a large number of customers periodically can use these facilities. Example of BSNL sends its customers online bills, and the customers can also do online payment using internet. That is an example of online billing. And many companies also send to bill online. www.torrent.com, Gujarat Gas also a online billing, and customers also paid the online payment using the internet. Next is information services. Many organizations use the internet to provide latest information to their users or members. This includes educational institutes and universities, which provides the examination results, online enrollment forms, examination schedules, and setting arrangement, and important notices. Students can view their results using the website from anywhere. Example of information service is the notice and reminder sent to the customers by the companies or banks. That is a information services. Next is a support services. Support services have become increasingly important due to the huge technological changes that have taken place in the last decade. Simple products utilize sophisticated electronics which require specialized knowledge and technical ability for maintenance and supports. When any problems arise, after selling the product, companies are providing online support to the customers. Example, a company selling a product, electronic product, providing online complaint register to their customers and which then forwarded to the support engineer. Customer can also track the status of their complaint placed online. That is a application of support services. Next is a net banking. Online banking is the process of conducting the banking transactions over the internet. Net banking or electronic banking is getting popular day by day. Today, majority of the leading banks have started providing online banking facility to its customers, consumers, and the customers is provided password for online banking services with which he logs into the bank sites and performs all the banking activities from his computer or mobiles. Some online banking websites are www.centralbankofindia.co.in, www.pnbindia.in, www.onlinesbi.com, www.bankofbaroda.co.in, www.denabank.co.in. That is a net banking applications, and that is a net banking. And the first online banking facility is a State Bank of India. Next is a traditional commerce versus e-commerce. Friends, as a coin has two sides. Traditional commerce and e-commerce also have their own advantages and disadvantages. Some of them are as under: first, traditional commerce, and second is e-commerce. The business have to complete within a single industries and limited geographical area. And e-commerce have a not a limited area, operates within a certain period of time or during business hours. And e-commerce provide features to conduct business for 24 by 7. And processing expense is more than e-commerce. The e-commerce reduce the per transaction cost. Customers get chance to touch, smell or examine a product precisely. Customers pay by themselves only for product shopping, and the protections should be provided as users give their private matters like credit card number also. There is a difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce. E-commerce in India, though the penetration of e-commerce is low in India as compared to some other countries, it is growing at a much faster rate with a large number of new entrants. From high end designer apparel to second hand books, everything is now available on to India online buyers at the click of a button. It has opened up new horizons and opportunities for millions of people. As internet has reached the rural parts of India, a drastic change is observed in their lifestyles. The quantity and quality of consumption is helping change mindsets in the rural area. There are a lot of online stores in India such as Flipkart, eBay India, Snapdeal, Amazon India, Myntra, Domino's, Paytm, Jabong, and so on. That is a e-commerce in India. Okay, students, today's class is over, and the remaining parts I will explain next time, next sessions. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.